check out this praying mantis laying in wait. This is a small one, but there's a bunch of aphids on here. Kind of hoping I see him nail one. This is a plant that's on the fence line between my house and my neighbor's. And I forget what they call it, but it has these little star-shaped pods on it when it flowers. I don't know if you can see the aphids in there. The little yellow aphids are all over this plant. It's probably feasting on them. Oh, look what I ran into out watering this morning. Praying mantis. He's got little droplets of water on him. I guess maybe he needed a drink. He's on my hose. I'm trying to water stuff. You gotta go take off. Go somewhere else. Yeah, there you go. Go down the fence line. Ginger's barking at a deer that there's a doe in the neighbor's yard that I think is gonna have a fawn pretty soon. I don't know if they do that this time of year or not. You never know. She's definitely getting nose to nose with them at the fence line, so maybe they're just becoming friends. I don't know, but Ginger has been barking a lot at her. So yeah, praying mantis, nice. This is the second one I've seen this year. Ginger and Penny getting acquainted with a doe that's in my neighbor's yard. This doe is not afraid of these two dogs, that's for sure. She's stomping her foot. She's a mature doe for sure. She's got that dark coat. I'm sitting here. I'm watering my plants around this oak tree. Anyway, yeah, interesting. That doe's not scared of me either. She doesn't look like she's pregnant. I was thinking maybe, because a lot of times my neighbor's yard's got a lot of little hidey holes. And so, a lot of times, the does will go have their fawns in his backyard. So I don't know if that's what this one's doing or not. It's having a baby. It's not very big, but maybe it's just stuck back there. It can't get out. I don't know. That could be too. He's got his gate closed. Usually it's open, so. And he's got a pretty high fence. It's like 7 feet, something like that. Sorry for the bad camera work there. Had to move. Ginger likes barking at her. And I saw Penny licking her nose through the fence. So now looks like Ginger's doing the same thing. Yeah, she's definitely got her teats are kind of enlarged, it looks like. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. I hope she's not stuck in there, but I'm not going to go open his gate. I think it's open on the other side. I think she could get out if she wants to. Yeah, tons of wildlife around here. There's a black swallowtail caterpillar on my parsley. I'm having breakfast. I've seen about 4 or 5 of these. The other ones were in the other side of the yard. It's kind of weird how they're different colors. I don't know what. Just, I guess that's just the way it is. Oh, there's one over there that's different colors. Right there. Right. Go ahead and get the camera on it. Right there. It was kind of white looking. They're all black. These are both black swallowtails. This guy's picking out. So yeah, a plant over in the sago garden on the other side of the yard had 4 or 5 of them on it. I was just watering over there.